Start by applying a bronzer to the hollows of your cheeks, temples, and jawline. This can help to add warmth and dimension to your face. Look for a bronzer that's a few shades darker than your natural skin tone, and apply it using a large, fluffy brush. Next, apply a blush to the apples of your cheeks to add a pop of color and create a youthful, healthy glow. Peach, pink, and coral shades tend to look best on mature skin. Apply the blush using a small, angled brush, starting at the apples of your cheeks and blending upwards towards your temples. Finally, define your eyes by applying a neutral eyeshadow to your lids. Look for a shade that's 1 or 2 shades darker than your natural skin tone. Apply the eyeshadow using a fluffy brush, blending it into the crease of your eye to create a subtle contour. If you want to add a bit more definition to your eyes, you can also apply a small amount of eyeliner to your upper lash line. Choose a soft pencil liner in a neutral shade, such as brown or gray. Use short, light strokes to apply the liner, focusing on the outer corners of your eyes to create a subtle winged effect. Finish with mascara and lip color. To finish off your makeup look, apply mascara to your lashes to add volume and length. Look for a formula that's specifically designed for mature lashes, as these products often contain conditioning ingredients that can help to nourish and strengthen your lashes. Apply the mascara in a zigzag motion, starting at the base of your lashes and working your way up to the tips. Finally, choose a lip color that complements your skin tone and personal style. As we age, our lips can lose some of their natural fullness, so it's important to choose a shade and formula that's hydrating and doesn't settle into fine lines. Look for a creamy lipstick or gloss in a shade that flatters your complexion, such as a soft pink, nude, or berry. Apply the lip color using a small brush or your fingers, being sure to blend it well for a natural, youthful look. It's important to note that skincare plays a crucial role in ensuring your makeup looks its best on mature skin. Taking care of your skin with a good skincare routine can help to minimize the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots, creating a smoother canvas for your makeup. Be sure to cleanse, moisturize, and use SPF daily to protect your skin from further damage. Additionally, if you're struggling with particularly pronounced wrinkles, consider using a makeup primer that's specifically designed for mature skin. These primers often contain ingredients that help to fill in fine lines and smooth out the texture of your skin, creating a more even base for your makeup. Apply the primer all over your face after moisturizing, focusing on areas where wrinkles are particularly pronounced. When it comes to foundation, look for a lightweight formula that provides coverage without settling into fine lines or accentuating wrinkles. Liquid or cream foundations are often best for mature skin, as they can provide a dewy, youthful finish. Use a damp beauty sponge or foundation brush to apply the foundation, starting at the center of your face and blending outwards towards your hairline and jaw. If you have particularly dark under-eye circles or age spots, consider using a color-correcting concealer before applying your foundation.